Hi, this is Anu and welcome to my channel, Anu Loves Art. I'm very excited to start this new series. I've been publishing art videos on YouTube for more than a year and I've received a lot of positive feedback. So thanks a lot for all your encouragement. Many people have approached me and said that they cannot draw. I've heard things like drawing is not my cup of tea, or I'm not talented enough, or I cannot draw a single line. Well, I think that that's not true. I strongly believe that each one of you can actually draw. Well, drawing is a skill that can be developed. Yes, there's practice required, there are a lot of techniques. But for doing simple drawings, you don't need all that. What you need is just basic creativity. So, this particular series is designed for people who have this mental block, who think that drawing is a rocket science. No, I think please follow these simple exercises and I'm sure you'll enjoy this process.
So for supplies, you can use any sketchbook or even A4 size paper, printer paper. Here I'm using a sketchbook, A4 size sketchbook, and just some pen, pencil. That's it. Okay, so let's start. I'm starting today, day 1. Now first of all, just draw some simple dots. Now make some circles, small, big. And see, you've already started making some impressions on paper. Now let's see if you can draw some lines from this circle. Now maybe try to draw some different kinds of lines. Now try drawing lines towards the circle. Now let's start drawing some lines, horizontal lines, complete lines. So don't do this. Just try to have smooth motion. Draw long parallel lines. Try to see if you can maintain the distance. Now try to make them closer to each other. See if you can do that. Here you go. Now try to do it in the opposite direction. See if you can draw a line. See, it's different from right to left. Now try to draw some vertical lines. Now again from bottom to top. We've done these kind of exercises in art basic class. Slanted lines, inverted triangles. Now this. See how your hand is moving up and down. Don't use your wrist, but use your entire hand. Now this one is smaller, so maybe the wrist movement is more. But now just try to bring the hand like this and see your entire hand is moving. So the movement should be like this. It should not be restricted to your wrist. So move the entire hand like so. Now let's see if you can draw some patterns. Like I can just draw a line, second line, and then maybe something like this. So if you've watched my Warli borders video, it's very easy. Here you go. Now maybe you can just add a few dots here and you have a border. Now let's do a few more exercises. Let's try to draw a horizontal line. Then from this point, try to draw a vertical line. Again horizontal line and then vertical line. So now you have a shape, which is a rectangle, almost a square. Now try to draw parallel line just as we did, just to create a frame. Okay. Now in this, what you can do is you can just draw lines. Now without thinking, just draw lines all over. Lifting my pen as far as possible. This is a fun exercise to do when you're sitting at the airport or a bus stop. It's just fun. Just simple doodling. Now in this, if you want, you can just color a few pieces here and there. It looks almost like some kind of abstract art. Now maybe you can just draw some shapes here. just for fun. See how interesting this looks. Now let's do one more activity. So here I have a A4 size paper. If you want, you can make a border. It's just a good idea to make border when you start your artwork. Now in this, try to fill in different shapes. So this is a big organic shape. So just start on one side and just move your hand and just close the shape. Just continue doing the same. Try to see if you can come up with some interesting shapes here. Now you can put on your favorite music or just do some humming and see how it affects the flow. So this could be your activity number 1. Okay, so just grab paper and just try to draw these organic shapes. Isn't this fun? So definitely try this activity. Now you must be thinking, we're just drawing these simple lines and shapes like geometric shapes and see, these are organic shapes. So what do we do next? First, try doodling. Try to see if you can draw all these kind of lines. Let's try to draw a tree. So now I'm just drawing a line, okay? Just a normal line. Now at this point, I'm drawing a dot, just like we were drawing the dots. And now drawing lines, exactly what we did here. To draw a parallel line here. Okay. Maybe some more parallel lines, horizontal lines. To draw lines from starting from this line and just parallel lines. That's it. See, I've already drawn one tree, coconut tree. And then if you want to draw some coconuts here, you can draw coconut. Draw another tree. Okay, just simple branches here. And then closer lines. Okay. So I'm not lifting my pen. So these are the leaves, dense leaves. See how simple it is. So we've drawn 2 trees. Maybe you just draw a circle and then I draw lines like so, and this is your sun. If you want to decorate it, just put some dots here. If you want to draw a circle, and now again similar lines, maybe something like this, and now maybe just complete the lines and you get a flower. Now you can also draw a flower like this coming down, right? Now the easiest way to draw a flower is you just fill up like this, and then in between you can just draw some petals and you have a flower. Now the lines, these are straight lines, curved lines. What about the spirals? Try to draw some spirals. Try to see if you can maintain the distance. Just draw these shapes. Try to use some wavy lines. So the same concept, but I'm drawing some wavy lines here. This is how you can draw a rose. Maybe you can just draw a line like this, just a normal line that we did. And now from here, again try to draw some parallel lines. See, I'm just decreasing the size. Now in the opposite direction, just start from this point to make them slightly smaller. This is your leaf.
So please start with these simple exercises. I hope you found this video interesting and helpful. I would really like to know in the comment section below as what are the things you want to learn in this series. I want to make this series more interactive rather than informative. So your feedback is very valuable. If you're interested in learning about elements of art, I've already published a series on art basics. There you can learn about color theory, textures, forms. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, Anu Loves Art. Until next time, bye-bye.